dumpster rental service in Bay City, Texas. At B&E Site Services, we know the importance of having a reliable waste management solution for your projects. Whether handling a small home renovation or managing a large construction site, our dumpster rental service in Bay City, Texas, makes cleanup easy and stress-free. We offer a variety of dumpster sizes to accommodate any job. No matter the scale of your project, we have the perfect roll-off dumpster for your needs. Our team is committed to prompt delivery and pickup, ensuring your job site stays clean and efficient. We pride ourselves on providing affordable pricing with no hidden fees. When you rent from us, you get transparent, upfront rates with flexible rental terms. We simplify the entire process so you can focus on what matters most, getting your work done. Our dumpster rental service is designed to handle residential, commercial, and industrial waste. Whether you need a short-term rental or ongoing waste management, we are here to help. B&E Site Services has built a strong reputation for outstanding customer service. We understand every project has unique needs and are happy to customize our services to fit yours. Call us at 979-616-6858 to schedule your dumpster rental. Let us take care of the waste so you can focus on completing your project.